Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle. To my new and old subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious mouth-watering goat meat pepper soup. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching, and let me introduce you to the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. So here we are going to be needing goat meat for this recipe, properly cleaned, habanero pepper, add to your taste. I will be using some scent leaf. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice, okay? So next we have salt, season cubes, uziza powder, onions, ginger and garlic paste, pepper soup spices, crayfish, dry Cameroonian pepper, but this is totally optional. Here is the combination of pepper soup spices. You can skip the first one and use this or the both, just the way I did here, okay? It all depends on your choice. To begin, in a pot, add the already cleaned goat meat. Season with some onions, salt to taste, season cubes, ginger and garlic paste. Stir it, cover the pot and let it cook on its own juice for about 10 to 15 minutes. While that is cooking, transfer the pepper soup spices inside a mortar and pound to a powdered form. You can also use a dry blender for this, okay? Here we are done with the pepper soup spices and the fresh pepper, okay? Now we are checking on the pots. Add some water to the level of the meat in the pots. Once that is done, go ahead and season with some pepper soup spices, uziza powder, crayfish add to your taste, dry pepper, the blended pepper soup mix, fresh pepper, some salt to taste. So here I added 1 season cube. Stir. Taste for salt or seasonings. So after tasting, I still need some adjustment. Then I added 1 more season cube to it, okay? Stir. So now it is perfect. Once done, cover the pot and allow to cook until tender. After some minutes now, open the pot, stir. At this point, you can add in any vegetable of your choice. So here I'll be using scent leaf, but this is totally optional, okay? Or you can skip the vegetables. Once that is done, stir, cover the pot and let it cook for 2 more minutes. 2 minutes now, we are checking on the pot. Stir and turn off the cooker. It is done. It is time to serve. You can enjoy this delicious mouth-watering goat meat pepper soup with your white rice, yam, agidi, unripe plantain, or in whichever way you prefer. Yes, yeah. As you can see here, I will be enjoying mine with my agidi, known as cornmeal. Guys, this tasted super delicious, honestly. It is very easy and simple to prepare and also can be served in both hot and cold weather. Hope you will be trying out this amazing recipe. I will be dropping the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.